Welcome to episode 8 of Hike in Vicenza. A via ferrata is a protected climbing route found in the Alps and certain other locations. It involves ascending, descending, or climbing across a rocky surface using a system of iron ropes, steps, ladders, stairs, and fixtures. It's a great way to experience the world of climbing in a more controlled way. It also gives you access to really interesting terrain that you might not normally be able to reach. You will need a via ferrata set that is a harness and two connected energy-absorbing lanyards with two carabiners attached. This is what you use to connect yourself to the iron rope and fixtures that are inserted in the mountain or rock. Today's trail starts at the Rifugio Revolto in the Verona province, where you can leave your vehicle. Once there, you can walk to the Rifugio Passo Pertica and then take the path on the left called Sentiero Pojesi. This is where you should stop and put on your climbing gear, as well as your helmet. From now on, you will immerse yourself in a constantly changing environment that will have you walking along footpaths, climbing rocky surfaces, going up debris-filled canyons, and enjoying the landscape on the Val Ronchi until you reach the end of the Via Ferrata and catch a glimpse of the grassy Kerle on the other side of the massif. If you are new to this type of mountain sport, the Sentiero Pojesi is the perfect way to start, in that although it is quite long and certainly requires a little bit of confidence, it is not technically too demanding compared to other Via Ferratas in the area. Once you get to the top, if you have the time and or the energy, you can opt to continue along the spine of Mount Carrega and aim for its top, as well as the nearby Rifugio Freccoli. Alternatively, you can stop on Cima, Tibet, have a little break up there, and then take the path that'll lead you back to the Passo Pertica and thus further down to Revolto. If you decide that you want to take this briefer route, the entire itinerary will take you approximately 5 hours.